ये मैं अनुभव करता हूँ।
Kesorkar jela kalau penlut hadu arpuar poin sandri klot tengka hauni usnem ken pisa da kebatung kam hadu sispa arp saungut ki konsultan na ki benta ki tenat beper ha ka jubam ya ke jingkeli balawan ra da kamyani di shira kepada genong tawaan ke sentrin mul kongres ha ampati Chief Minister Konrad Sangmaul ang ba ke jingbon jong ki konsultan ya ki batung knang na ke benta ki projek balabai tengka na shabar ki longsan pung nai ngut kat kum kejing itu menteri rang ba gajala ki konsultan ki dekriu sampang ya ki ba lawan yalam khanang halor kanong rem jong kejing don kam jong kini ki projek lapan kam yaki khamtam na kabanta ki skim bala kershan da sarkar pedeng bat na kabanta ki projek bala beting ka na shabar ulo ang makajing seo na kabanta ki konsultan lapan ya kat kum ka dor jong ki projek.
Consultants, as you are aware, are basically experts, technical experts, who are brought into the system on a task basis, and therefore on a specific task they are brought in, and they are obviously in a way a contractual team that is brought in, and they are experts in their field.